Can you say cat?
Cat.
Can you say dog?
Dog.
Can you say apple?
Apple.
Can you say pineapple?
Pineapple.
Can you say bayabas?
Bayag.
Bayag.
Yeah.
Ulit. Can you say bayabas?
No.
Can you say bayabas, please? Hindi, ulit. Guyabano. Good job. How about bayabas? You can say it. You can do it. You're an ate already, okay? Go. Bayabas. Dali, no. Ay, sige, ano pa? Ba. Ya. Bas. Bas. Good job. Bayabas. Can you say it?
No.
Please.
Apa?
Bayabas.
Apa?
Ya.
Bas.
Bayabas.
Bayag.
Can you count from 1 to 10?
Okay.
Okay, count with your fingers. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Good job, Pia!